Review of AquaRest Spa's premium 302-person plug-and-play hot tub. The Pool rating for this product is very good, with 4.40 stars, and the price range is $2,499 to $2,749. Pros: lightweight and easily movable when empty. Seats 2 people comfortably. Includes water filtration system. Cons: only seats 2 people. May not be easy for all to get inside by climbing steps. The premium 302-person plug-and-play hot tub is a fun option for any backyard or outdoor space. Coming in 3 stone colors, the 2-seater allows plenty of room for both people inside. Fit with 20 jets, the spa provides a massaging effect to users inside. The tub also heats up quickly, providing around-the-clock hot water for bathing. Stylish LED lights and a waterfall make this tub unique. Users say this product is great for the price, and is more affordable than larger tubs on the market. The stone design is sleek and looks chic in outdoor spaces, and customers say it works as nicely as it looks. The tub also comes with a cover that locks in heat to keep the water hot all day long. Some customers say this product was too small for their particular needs, and others say the plug-and-play marketing does not truly encapsulate how long it takes to set up and use the product. However, most say it is quite simple to use once set up, and is lightweight and easy to move around when empty. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. To learn more about these products, go to our website poolpool.com.